Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear colleagues and members of this group, I welcome you to this new video. This video is about my new course, a series of lectures in a new course, and the title of this course is Introduction to Public Policy, Governance and Development. Let me start with the introduction of the course. As you know, the title of the course is Public Policy, Governance and Development, which refers to the combination of a study of how government policies are designed, implemented, and evaluated within the context of achieving societal development, focusing on the systems and structures, that is, governance, which enable effective policy execution to bring about positive changes in the society. There are certain key aspects of this course. The first key aspect is that of public policy, which is the set of actions, laws, and plans adopted by a government to address societal issues that include economic growth, social welfare, environmental protection, and much more. The second aspect of this course is governance, and governance is the framework through which power is exercised in managing a country's resources, encompassing institutions, processes, and accountability mechanisms that ensure effective policy implementation. And the last key aspect of this course is development, which is the process of improving the quality of life in a society, which is often measured by indicators like economic growth, health outcomes, education levels, and societal equity. Let me also talk about the scope of this course. The public policy, governance and development is a very important and interesting course which introduces the fundamentals of public policy being the main instrument to respond to diverse public problems which appears to be increasing in quantity and complexity. This course provides you with a general view of the three main aspects of public policy. The first aspect, public policy studies, examine the basic concepts of this term to better understand why governments do what they do. The second aspect, public policy analysis, will focus on introducing the various approaches to policy making, including public policy theories, ideologies, and contexts, thus having a better understanding of what governments do or do not do. The third and the final aspect, public policy development process, will discuss the stages of the policy making cycle and will increase your awareness on policy implementation steps and how governments do what they do. This course will also enable the students to relate the public policy process to the governance framework implemented to achieve development, thus appreciating the integration required to ensure the effectiveness in between the three arrangements. Objectives of the course: at the end of this public policy development, governance and administration course, you will learn to understanding the basic concepts and key terms of public policy and governance, explore different public policy ideologies and contexts, identify various issues and challenges regarding good governance, examine the primary components of the public policy process, clarify the interrelationships of public policy, governance and development, and it will outline the major challenges facing policy making and governance. Now, how these three aspects are related. Good governance is essential for effective government. A well-functioning government with transparency, accountability and participation is crucial for designing and implementing policies that benefit the population. Policy analysis is key to the development planning. Studying the potential impacts and effectiveness of proposed policies is critical to ensure they contribute to desired development outcomes. Context also matters. The design and implementation of public policies need to consider the specific social, economic and political context of a country or a region. Some examples of public policy areas related to development. Now these include economic development policies. These policies are aimed at promoting economic growth, job creation and poverty reduction. Then we have education policies. These are the policies to improve access to quality education and skills development. And we also have healthcare policies, and these are the policies to enhance healthcare access and quality of all citizens. In addition, we have environmental policies, which are the policies to protect the environment and mitigate climate change. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this was quite easy for you to understand the interrelationship between public policy, governance and development. In the coming lectures, I'll discuss other aspects of this course. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon